Yo, what's good, everybody? So it's your boy, Jen Ivan. So today we're gonna start, weekly Zoom call. I think this is like the fourth or the fifth weekly Zoom call that we've done, you know, and I've been uploading all of them to my other channel that I'm creating my mentorship on everything. I'm just trying to get everything together, So this week we're gonna be talking about all the same pairs, GBP USD and Euro USD. Um, as we're gonna be waiting on other people to join, it's okay. Other people join later. Right now we're just gonna start off you know, with sharing our screen, GBP USD and Euro USD, guys. So, guys, for the first month, this month has been bearish. I'm not gonna share my screen right now. I'm gonna share it later. You know, so yeah, a lot of things been going on, and it's just ups and downs. But yeah, this month has not to me. My trading part, person wise, this month compared to last month, like this month has been crazy. It's not been good. It's not been like flowing like last month because last month was killer. But this month it's still the same way. Still trying to get it up, like break even, going profit but coming back to break even. It's not like giving me that type of setups that I need. But at the same time, we still gotta stick through it, guys. That's the reason why we trade, right? So yes, if you're new to me, if you don't know me, if you like first time seeing me on Zoom, first time like looking at me, yeah, I've been trading for over 2 years. I started 2022. It's almost gonna getting close to 2 years, so it's like yeah, and yeah, I've faced a lot of challenges. I faced a lot of multiple challenges. I faced a lot. I can just be honest with you guys. I faced a lot of challenges. I faced over 20 challenges, guys. Just like trying out over 20, 25, like stuff like that. And just like buying them and blowing it, like buying it and blowing it, like, why? Because I had a bad mindset. I have a mindset that, okay, this week I have to pass phase one and phase two. That's not how it works, you know. And until I actually started realizing that, guys, the longer it takes, the better. Because in the less risk you risk, in the better. So, guys, now, like, I used to risk like 1%, and 1%, you're actually not risking 1%, you're risking like 1.2, 1.3% because the commission and all that. So it came out to like easily it can be easy for you to actually blow an account when you're risking such an amount. But now if I went when I started using, okay, let me start using like 0.5%. Now things started getting better. So you see how that was. Now, like, if you use 0.5%, right, in a week at least you can average about 4% or 3%. Let's let's say it's 100K, you average about 4%, right? Then next week, sure, next week you may pass phase one, or even though you may even chill for next week, and even the third week you can pass phase one. So it's not like you don't have to rush it. And if you always have the mindset, you buy a challenge, it's like, okay, this week I have to pass phase one, guys. No, you have to chill. There you go. Because I felt a lot of multiple challenges, and then at the beginning of this year, just things just started changing weird, like. Because, bro, I'm telling you, I was failing challenges since 2022. I started trading 2022 around August. So since 2022 August, boom, I learned. I joined Urumi University. I started learning SMC stuff like that. Now I started using the whole of 2020. I can just be honest with you. The whole of 2023, I was just losing accounts and not knowing why. You feel me? And it's like, because I trade live and I trade both. I trade both live and the challenges platforms. So it was like, why am I losing these platforms? Why am I losing this every time? Why am I like blowing this account every time? And it's like, will there be a breakout? And then just by the beginning of this year, I don't know how things just started to. I've only failed one challenge, 100 challenge, but all other 6, 7 challenges that I've done, I've passed them and I've got it funded, and I've got payoff there. That's how crazy, you know. Things changed up for me. Just by reducing the risk to 0.5%, managing your trade, not aiming every time aiming for a home run. If you guys know these people that hold trades, or you want a 1 to 10 RR risk to reward ratio, but you want to hold from all the way from here and all the way to like the full TP without at least taking partial profits throughout the way. You know, so yeah, just finally click just like that, and now now like now results are coming, right? And now like I'm buying, bro, like I'm buying myself a car. You feel me? Like things like that. You like I never knew I could do that. Like buying a car cash is crazy. Cause me, I never had a car at all, never. Then I was okay. Now I'm getting payouts. Why not? Why not go to the dealership and get myself a car? Something late that at least I can start with. For me, guys, I'm 19 years old. I'm just being honest with you. I'm 19 years old, living in Phoenix. You feel me? I've spent. I'm not. I didn't grow up out here. I didn't grow up in America. No, guys. I grew up in Africa. Um, a lot of my parents are from there. So guys, when you see me out here, like I've not even spent that long in here in America. Just be honest. So it's not been like a long time. You feel me? So it's like everybody just has their own history, man. Like just started clicking. Just by December, thing just started boom. Now everything just clicking. Everything just changing slowly. And then you're like, how am I passing these challenges? Guys, right now I can't even believe myself right now. Like since the year started, I've only failed one challenge out of the 8, 9 challenges I've done, and I've passed the rest. That's how crazy. That's how crazy it works. Like just by risking 0.5%, risk 0.5% from the 100K all the way. Let's say you up like now you up like 4%, but from 100K to 4% in profit, you only risk 0.5%, right? Then now imagine if it was now then when you add up like 4% right there, then you can risk 1%. Because guess what? You still have 4 more trades to lose until you're back at break even. Man, if I hear you, man, hope you're doing good. We're just having a little conversation, before we get into the chat. So we're just having a little conversation on how these programs work. And guys, I'm gonna just be honest with you, right? So there's some weird thing I didn't know. I think a lot of you guys don't know it. Okay, if you guys have not been funded, I'm just telling you. I'm just letting you know. So programs, there's this one rule, guys. Okay, they don't even tell you this. I don't want to be that type of guru. Oh, they don't tell you this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No. Oh yeah, that's good to hear, bro. That you're good, man. I'm good, bro. How are you? Don't forget my friend. Hey, the course is on the way, man. The course is on the way. Yesterday I was recording some videos too, and just that I'm still trying to edit them. I'm still trying to redo some videos too, cause man, I just want this to be like some hard, like like when it has enough content. All these annotation movements, my guy. All these taking partial profits, all these small like the build up inducement, then follow through. All that, my friend, everything is there. I'm just letting you know. All these the time frame windows. Hmm? Um, my guy, everything. I'm just saying, like everything I know is just there. All these build up inducements. There's no Wyckoff though. There's no Wyckoff, but Wyckoff is all the same thing. The annotation movement, the creative sweep, and stuff like that. It's just the same thing. Pro psychology. What changed for you in psychology like that? Okay, bro. So what changed for me in psychology is that. So for me, basically, my psychology just started. Okay, okay, yeah. Thank you. I remember. So guys, this is what I used to think about, right? 2023, I used to go to school. I was in high school. I used to go to school, come back from school, chats, right? Back test, back test, back test. Go to sleep. Wake up at night, midnight, because guys, midnight is London session. It's 8 a.m. for you guys. So my time is different from you guys. So midnight is always 8 a.m. So boom, I go to sleep like around 6 p.m. So I can wake up early to trade what? To trade London session and go all the way through New York session too. I don't sleep the whole night. That was just my cycle because right now even I right now I don't even sleep at night most of the times because I just got used to that. So I reached a point where I was just focused about money. Like there's also this one thing I never had a job, so guess what I used to do? I used to do DoorDash. Guys, I'm telling you, what trading did do for me, I don't know. I used to do DoorDash, bro. You feel me? And then you doing DoorDash and like you go to a store to pick up food and people are looking at you like, oh, you young to start doing DoorDash because guys, DoorDash is for like these orders people like these people that are already like in their 30s, right? Because you're working with these 30-year-olds, right? Like these guys that are old, and you're like, damn, you don't have a job. By that time, I have a job because I had school. Like having a job is school and trading at the same time. It's like, okay, I need to get something where I can get my money to buy these programs. You know. Okay, bet. So I started now. I started getting doing DoorDash. I have videos, but bro, the moment there's one video that I'ma edit, like the moment I actually like it clicks like to and like I'm actually like making it crazy, but like the edits I'll be making because I have a lot of content. when I was still like hustling, bro. I have a lot of content when I was still hustling. Even right now, I'm still hustling. You feel me? But I just have a lot of content. So psychology wise, guys, it's just that it's just like I just stopped thinking about money. Like when like the money thing went out, it's just when it started coming. Like it just started coming. Feel me? It just started coming, bro. Cause um, hey, bro, I have the YouTube. I have the YouTube just cause I'm not, I'm not that good in YouTube like making it, but I can, but I have the camera. I can start recording and all that. But you know, my guy, I'm gonna just be honest. I know you guys. There's only two people here, so let me take it. I'm at home, right? And like I have siblings, and all my parents are out of state. They're not in my state. So I'm the one to take care of all these people here. So everything so I'm done that gotta take care of everybody here. My little siblings. So I don't have that much time to be like putting me because they're gonna pass by. You feel me? So I have to build that. That's why this month has been even like kind of like so tiresome to me. But I'm still profitable. The good thing, guys, if I go on my trade locker and I click on close positions and I check for the whole month, I'm still profitable, but it's close to break even. So it's not like I'm doing good this month, but like it's also I'm not doing bad. For me, I'm not losing just because this month is no that's no more good. But last month was fire. I'm not gonna lie, you know. So I cannot create YouTube videos, but I can just share with you guys like my story because it's like man, I really came. 2021 is when I came to America. 2020, 2020, 2020, around there, 2020, 2021. That's when I came to America. And the first thought that come to my mind was, hey, Ivan, you don't have to work a normal job. Look for something. Because guys, by that time I didn't even know what online bro. In Africa, there's no okay, there's phones, but internet, there's no internet. So we don't know what trading is. Until right now it just started getting known. But before I didn't know. So I coming out here, I'm like, okay, it's only like one person that I really appreciate. But I wouldn't be right here if it wasn't for him. So he's my big, is he like my uncle, stuff like that? I don't even, he's not even my uncle, it's like my cousin. He told me, yo, you're in the United States, start trading. That's it. Trading. I was like, what is trading? You feel me? I'm like, trading. That's like like late 2022. You feel me? Okay, let me see. What I do, what do I risk? What I do is I risk 1% with pressures at 1 to 3, then I'm in good profit at 10%. I do not take pressures. Let me see the one time. Oh yeah, bro. Hey, listen, you're right. Man up. Let me say something. You're right because everybody has his own like buffer, right? There's somebody also Jeremy told me one time when I was in Zoom, you have to build a buffer. Be like, okay, if I'm up, if my goal is to hit 5% on a week, and I hit 5% on a Tuesday, right? It's the week we still have 3 more days to trade, right? And it's a Tuesday. So if I hit 5% on a Tuesday, I still have like 3 more days to trade. I'm not just gonna sit there and not trade. No, you can still use that. But then guess what? Now reduce my risk, right? Reduce my risk. Let's say I make like 2% more, right? Now that's like 7%. Now I have 2% to leverage to use as my risk for the rest of the 3 days. Like that's just building a buffer. Hey, your buffer is also good though. Risking 1%, man. To me, I do it. I risk 1%, but like I don't it's just not like in my portfolio. Let's say I can risk 1%, but when I'm actually up a good percentage. If I'm up like good 4%, 3%, I'm risking 1% because what? Why not? Why not? Because I have 3 more trades, I can lose 3 more trades and I'm still good at break even, right? And I'm not just gonna risk 3 more trades like that. Because I know what to mark out and what not to mark out. You feel me? So yeah, oh man, man up. Your thing is actually yeah, you have a good skill. You have a good thing. I saw that in Jeremy's reels, but I was like, this thing may not. I mean, being up 10% is like, come on, man. Why not just wait for the withdrawal? Come on. You already passed phase one and also phase two. Well, how are you up 10%? Just wait for the withdrawal. Feel me? Do you know actually? I think I did make 30K out of payouts. Did I? Yeah, 4K, 5K, 6K. Cause me my payouts, bro. I'm just going man up. My payouts are just like 4.5K, right? 6K. The highest payout I got was like 7.2, something like that. 7.2K. I don't have that buffer that I want to make 30K right there and pay out. I don't have that buffer yet, but I will. I know by time when time comes I will. I think my highest payout was by these guys. I know I don't want to talk brokers because the problems. I know it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. Oh, this one is better. I don't want to start the argument because guys, we had to break down the charts before we just started. So yes, it was with So I'm funded with two, right? With two platforms. One is Rocket 21, another one is Top Tier, right? And finding pips, I tried buying one is Rocket 21 and Top Tier. So Rocket 21, I have 200K. They was tripping me out at first. They wanted like to whatever when they close all those things. It was some type of sell, and my NAF was on my head. My NAF was on me. He was telling me, "Hey man, I told you these guys are not legit." I'm like, okay, these guys may not actually be legit because like I'm funded 200K with them. Like, can you imagine like? 200K. So like that's a lot of money to me, man. That's a lot of money. So it's like I just gotta use the opportunity. I wasted like I think I spent like 3 weeks without like trading with them because it was like, oh, maybe these guys are about to shut down. Why even waste my time? I tried buying an account from Funny Peeps, but I don't know what's wrong with my card. It just doesn't work. Just doesn't allow. I don't It doesn't allow their payments. I tried doing that. I tried even doing Bitcoin. Yeah, it reversed back to me. Like, why am I hustling so much? So right now, it was a prank. Yeah, it was a prank. I'm telling you, Rocket 21 was a prank. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's for FXAlexG, man. It's for FXAlexG. He's just one of the people that own it, like partnership stuff like that. But man, I'm telling you, okay, 21, my guy. 200K find it right there. I don't even trade that account that much because guess what? I can trade like 3 or 4 times in a whole month. That's how respect I give to that. Because guess what? Right now I'm just fighting with challenges. I'm just fighting with challenges. I'm like, okay, let me hear this. Let me. So the only thing that got me mad, let me take some. So there is equity age, right? Is it equity age? Equity age, yeah. So I bought 100K with equity age. I think it was what month is this? It was the end of last month, right? Bro, Top Tier is not Rumble Rose. No, it's not. It's Q Banks. It's for Q Banks, man. Q Banks has shares in there. He's like one of the founders of Top Tier Trader. It's good. I'm just telling you this is because it's part of it's part of it's part of like America, right? Because there's some like platforms you guys use, you guys from Europe, the platforms you guys use is like us, we can get access to them. I mean, I can log in, right? I can put it on from the United States, and you're gonna search your country, United States, and it's not there, and you're trying to sign up, and like, okay, they probably don't accept what American traders, right? So you just gotta use platforms that are from here. So that's why. But I would be using. So guess what happened? I bought 100K challenge with Equity Edge, and did phase one, did phase two, right? I don't want to be because of course my phase one and phase two, yes, I passed them, right? And then I'm waiting for my final account. So they send me this one email. I think I will send you guys a screenshot in the Discord later on after this, right? So I send. Oh, sorry, sorry about that, guys. So you have to move out of the. Hey man, I swear to God, I am, but like I'm still, because man, my family is out here, man. So it's like I am gonna move out. Trust, bro, I'm not gonna stay here for long. No, but there's one thing that I'm waiting on. I will tell you guys later on at the end of the. Remind me, I'll tell you guys later on. Something that you have to get in order to like Remember, guys, something that we get in order for us to help us build on our like to move easily, like to just go there and I'm still able to come back. But bro, I'm not American. I tell you guys, I still have two more. Yeah, yeah, bro, relax, man, relax, man. I'm just like you. I'm not Yarimi, bro. God damn, relax, bro. I'm not Yarimi. You feel me? I'm not Yarimi. Relax. So I built Equity Edge, right? I built Equity Edge, and what Equity Edge does, they send me an email telling me, yo, you have violated a rule. And that was like during my phase one, not even during my phase two, it was during my phase one, right? You have violated a rule saying that um you don't have to use 25%. You don't have to lose 25% of your daily limit. Is it your daily limit? So let's say daily limit is 5%, right? So you don't have to lose 25%. What is 25% of your 5K? Let's say 5%, that's like on 100K, that's like 1,250. So you don't have to lose. So that's how tricky these things are. I'm just letting you know. So let's say you're risking 1%. Man up, you're the likes risking 1%. Let's say you're risking 1%, right? And then let's say the commission is kind of low and it's gonna overwrap the 250 because now you don't have to lose more than 250, right? If you lose, let's say if you take an L and your L is like 1,000 and the loss you took was like 1,000, like the net profit, not only the loss. Yes, you can only lose 1,000, but then the net loss, like combined with the commissions and all the swaps and everything, let's say it's like 1,270, right? Bro, you've really violated their law. Like you just violated it, and now they can't do it. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, these things is crazy. They just sent me that, and I was like, what? Like, how is that possible? They gave that to me. I'm like, okay, so I don't have to use more than 25%. I don't have to lose more than 25% of my daily limit. So my daily limit is 5%. I don't have to lose more than 1.5, 1.25%. Guys, I know it's crazy me too, it was hard to hear. I know I was just like you right now. I know you guys are like, what is this? What is this guy talking about? I know it was crazy. No, the daily limit is okay. No, listen, they let you trade. They tell you that after you've passed. My God, they let me trade everything. They let me trade phase one. I passed it. I was happy. I went to phase two. I passed it. I was happy, right? They let you trade, my guy. When you're done trading, that's when they that's when they be like, okay, my guy, you have violated this rule, and now what they're gonna do, they're gonna give you another. They give you one more last chance. They give you 100K to do 8%. So now that's what I'm doing right now. They gave me 100K to do 8% after without breaking that rule. You feel me? If I break that rule, then I can't get fined, right? But then they gave me that to do 8%. If I do 8%, then I'm fined right away. They're gonna give me the funded account. So that's how crazy. And I was like, bro, how is that? How did you come to me telling me that? Because it didn't make sense to me at the first time. It didn't. I know, man, if I know it's mine. That's what I'm telling you guys, bro. Just risk 0.5% to avoid these stupid rules, like these silly rules, man. I'm just telling you. And since then, 0.5%. Because trust me, right now, nowadays, according to how we trade, according to how Jeremy taught us, bro, getting a 1 to 3 is easy. It's easy. Cause like that's you take a trade knowing okay that's a 1 to 3. I know I'm gonna get that right, but you at maximize from 1 to 3 all the way to full take profit is kind of it's gonna go as Jeremy said, yes, it's gonna reach there, but it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time. So you know guys, let's go into let's break the chat, guys. Let's break the chat. I'm telling you, there's a lot of things to talk about, but let's break the chat, man. Just allow, because man, just be honest with you, man. These platforms, they're now bringing some crazy rules, right? That they tell you right after, and then you're like, oh, when did this rule come? It's like, yeah, it was there since, but it was just hidden. So guys, if you are currently in a challenge right now, bro, take your time. I know I don't like reading too. I did that. Take your time. Go to their rules. Please read all the rules word to word. Okay, I know it is a lot of rules. I know it's a lot, man. This is a business, right? And you have to know what you're doing. So you don't want to get caught into things like that. I did get caught. I'm just telling you guys know so you guys don't do the same, right? So I know, no, hopefully none of you guys probably knew that, right? But it happens. So guys, take your time, go and read all the rules. So if you let's say right now you're using Alpha Capital, right? The UK guys, using Alpha Capital. So go read the rules, everything, right? Equity Edge, go read the rules. Funding Pips, go read their rules. FTMO, the same thing. Just read the rules, man. Like, just cause, bro, trust me, these small things are actually gonna hurt you so much. Cause, bro, having phase one to phase two, passing it, and then reaching there. Cause for me, cause I was already funding, it was cool for me. But for somebody that when it's his first time and he has passed phase two, he expects a funded account and you're not gonna give it to him just because of this zero, his psychology is gonna get, messed up. It's like, why are you doing all this for? So guys, please go and read the rules. Just letting you know, read the rules. If you don't want, you will tag me later. Just letting you know, you will tag me later. So guys, I'm just gonna share my screen right now and we go straight into um the chats, man, the chat. So I don't know if you guys can see my screen. So this is your USD. This is your USD right now. Man, for the I'm just letting you. Let's see. Let's first mark out. There's a lot of drawings. God damn. There's a lot of drawings there. Let me just. Ali, you wanna talk, bro? I'm sorry, Khalid. Khalid, I'm sorry. I had to meet you, man. You're not trying to spoil my session right now. You feel me, my brother? So whatever you're doing, man, do your thing. But we have to first. So guys, let me first mark out when this month started. This month started about ah right here, right? But you see how everything changed. Let me just go to 4 hours, even daily. Let me just go to daily. All right, you see, month started here, and after the month starting, it just started dropping. And you see how it tapped into. I don't know if it tapped or it didn't tap, but it was close too. It was close to tapping. I think if you're to start checking the 4 hour real quick and see. Yeah, so this is supply. I want you guys to see this, okay? We had marked out this supply zone, right? But price went and didn't tap in. So okay, I think that's where the reaction came from. But this was the previous the last higher high, right? The last higher high before price started changing and forming lower lows and lower highs. So yeah, this is what happened, and now we've been bearish since. So the whole month we bearish, right? Just keep that in mind. The whole month we bearish, and then what do we think is going to reflect the market back to go to make its bearish moves? Because now what I'm thinking is right now, as for me, what I see, I know guys, it's kind of looking too dirty. I will delete all this very soon. I'm just looking for something like maybe that was the big move, right? If this was the move from here to here, right? Then we had a pullback. Then there's the other move, big move. Then we're having a pullback. And we make another big move. Maybe guys, something like that is what we may be expecting, making some other big move, right? Then just keep it moving like that, because now we buried, right? And that's what he's trying to show us. Because okay, so we know the high time frame trend. Let me see. Did you try type something in the chat? Guys, I cannot read the chats right now because I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to go. Okay, let me just put the chat like right there in the corner so I can read it. Let me just click it on it right now. Rocket 21. Let me see. Story bro, my place is noisy. I can't talk. Hey, it's okay. Khalid, you can just text in there and I'm gonna read it, okay? I'm just gonna put it right there in the top corner. Right there. Make it a little bit smaller. So man, whatever I type, I'm gonna read it. Okay, it's just right there. I can read it. So yes, this is what I was talking about. I'm seeing these big moves right here, right? Why is it looking so small? Yeah, here's good. Right here's good. Perfect. So yeah, so you guys can see, if we're making big moves like stuff like that, lower high, lower low, then lower high, then we expect another lower low. So where would we know the price is not going to move here until like next month. So let's just go down to 4 hour, 2 hour and see what's going on. So we just delete that because we know now we're going bearish. You just click that and delete that, right? So I already mapped out all this stuff because I was always trying to look for trades, of course, just like anybody else. I know your charts also look like this sometimes. So yeah, we had all these zones, extreme zones, whatever, and stuff that got tapped in, and we made some money too of these zones. And now, guys, I'm seeing these 3 weeks of these 1, 2, 3 candlesticks of 4 hour showing us they're waking up this zone right here. So this zone is looking to get respected so bad. You know what I mean? So this zone, guys, watch out for this zone because it actually got respected, and there was news during this time when this zone is getting respected. So just trying to drop down to 2 hour and see. Okay, so we know we have a, I don't know how I marked out this. I think that when we go lower time frame, we're gonna see some type of supply zone, but there's a supply PI here, you know. The price may be also looking to bounce off here, you know, maybe look to bounce off from these high highs into here, then make the big move, right? As you know, with the high time frame, we bearish. So now we may be looking for some counter buys, right? To this point around here, we may be looking for some counter buys. So what do I mean by like all these little stuff that we're looking at? So we see we see prices actually reacting up this one, right? Okay, now we may be looking for some buys. We are looking for some buys until right now. Just because right now that's my best right now. But if you go lower, if you go into 5 minute, 3 minute time frame, you're gonna see if you're actually looking for buys or sells. Because guys, trust me, things are gonna change. High time frame, we're just bullish on the day. Now on the 2 hour, we're looking for reactions of this zone, right? Because it actually showing that reaction. You just take this this is just a lot of stuff that it's just a lot of noise stuff, So okay, perfect. This is what we see right now, right? We see just price giving us a type of okay forest row that broke across the break of structure, and then okay, perfect. So I see why we marked out this one, right? I see why we marked out this one. So the reason why we actually marked out this one is because this is the previous sellers that this is where the previous sellers came to push out this one to here, right? To that caused the break of structure. So I know Monarch is gonna be like, no, this is the sellers. This is the sellers right here. But no, man, these are not the sellers. The sellers are right here. These are the guys that came with energy to come and take these guys out, right? To cause this break construction. So if you're there saying that, no, this I think this is the real, this is where the real actual sellers came from, you know. That's not the chief zone. This guy carried. Okay, yeah. So you guys can see what I'm saying, right? You guys can see what I'm talking about. This is why I think that's why I marked out that zone. But if I go in 1 hour, let me go in 1 hour and see. I think that's why I marked it out. At minute at least. Yeah, I think because you can see, yeah, you guys can see why. Because it's even in the right time frame window, right on New York Open. It's right on New York Open, man. Feel me? Yeah, come on, man. Let me cook. Let me cook. It's right on New York Open, and then is where the sellers came from, and then price pushing all the way here, and now taking out causing bill construction. So we know this is a strong point, even though price may be coming, right? So we know if we're looking for any buys right now, looking for buys to come from here, right? From the tap into here, from reactions, go all the way down. Feel me? So that's just the reaction we're looking for right now. But then I know there's some zones. Price is just not gonna go straight, right? Price is just not gonna go straight like that. You come tap into here, look for bearish, then stuff. Just it's normal like crazy stuff that you be doing on the daily basis. So let's just see. This is a lot of consolidation here that we're gonna look at. This consolidation is what is gonna give us pips because as we see is about 100 pips, okay, 80 pips here. So 80 pips is good, man. For any session, 80 pips is good. So I know everybody's like, okay, guys, are we gonna wait for a pullback to this zone, then buy right away? No, 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 no. That's not how it's gonna be. Okay, this is an 11 pip. This is an 11 pip area of demand zone. So it's like we can, even though we can go on lower time frame, we're gonna go lower time frame, look for these trend lines that have to be swept before price coming back and tapping into the original order block, then reacting off it, right? So let's just trying to go on 15 minute. 15 minute real quick, right? But let's first go back. I think I'm right. I'm hurrying up. I don't want to hurry. I just want to leave everything untouched, right? So perfect. So do you guys, I think I'm just gonna show you guys what I see, right? So let me drop down into, let me just make this a little bit bigger. So guys, take a look at this candlestick real quick, right? Um, right? This this little the little small candlestick that was followed by an engulfing, right? If you guys know candlestick anatomy, a candlestick that is followed by an engulfing candlestick is called a what? Order block, right? All right. Don't worry, guys. All this is in the cost. Don't worry. All this is not. It's not a cost. It's a mentorship. I don't want to call it a cost because cost sounds kind of it's kind of guru like like guru stuff. Yeah. We call it mentorship. It's gonna sound kind of professional. You feel me? Even the website, my guy, the website also has to be called mentorship because if I say cost, it's gonna sound feel me? So also yeah, anatomy. All these of candlestick anatomy is also there actually. I'm just reminding, yeah, it's also there. So also yeah, this and so when we're looking for an order block, right? So we know we've seen this, right? But now what time frame window was it created in? So right now, as I see, it was created at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. of my time is 9 a.m. of New York time. 9 a.m. of New York time is about 4 p.m. Is it 4 p.m.? Yeah, 4 p.m. UK time. No, okay, guys, listen. This kind of still was created 7 a.m. of my time. 7 a.m. of my time is 9 a.m. of New York time. And 9 a.m. of New York time is 4 p.m. of UK time. So you know the session we're in right now. That's New York session, right? In it. In it. Yeah, it's New York session. So now we know it's New York session, so we're gonna mark that up. We're gonna mark that zone out, right? But guys, no, price is not just gonna come and go straight all the way to here, this zone without at least having a reaction. And guys, we know right before this zone also looks kind of mm, you think that's an SMT, bro? Do you know why I marked out this zone, bro? Because this was another block, right? This was our demand zone, and actually these sellers came and took it out. This let me see what I'm talking about. So man, this zone right here, this is a strong point, or this is a strong zone. It's also the same thing. It was created right during New York session, right? And you see we had a reaction off, which took a lot of buyers, right? Because a lot of buyers came in. You can see a lot of buyers buying here, and then market higher time frame showed them that, okay, guys, me higher time frame, I'm the big boss. I'm gonna actually take over, right? It took over and came back, had a reaction, check these guys out. Other buyers entered. You guys can see this. Guys, you guys can just see this very so. Other buyers entered right off this zone right here. Other buyers entered. After other buyers entering, when they entered right here, they entered. Then guess what? That's when this momentum came in and took that out. If this momentum, I don't want it to look very dirty. I'm just gonna erase it a little bit. So if this momentum came and pushed this out, what did it cause? This is no longer liquidity, bro. This it caused a break, right? Because now it's continuing towards our high time frame trend, which is bearish, right? So if it's continuing towards that, and so we wanted to come with Asian wanted to come and mitigate his own, but he didn't, right? So he left that type of SMT. This is the SMT that I'm looking at for me, because now I know sellers, if price comes back to this zone, right? A lot of sellers are going to mark this out and then put their stop loss here, expecting price to what? Follow through. And then it may take these guys out. Take these guys out, then tap into this, then give us the follow through. That's what I'm looking at for me. I don't know if that's what I'm saying. We look at the market differently, right? But let me know if I'm wrong, though. Let me try. Thank you, though, for real. You gotta let me know if I'm wrong. For me, that's what I'm looking at. Because then we can see Asia, right? Asia is just like they just read all this as a book, like as if we like we're talking like languages, right? So yes, there's an order block here, although it's like not like it's a week, right? But if we go like on 15 minutes, we can see, yeah. Bro, perfect. Let me go mark it out, right? I'm gonna mark it out as an SMT because I know this is gonna be an SMT. This is not respecting anything, right? Right after London Open, boom, we had an order block being formed. Then guess what? Came tapped into this zone, right? Came tapped into this zone. Okay, now price is having a reaction off, right? Price is showing us all this zone. Right, guys, all here I'm looking for nothing in here. All these zones that is being created. I'm looking for nothing right now. Just outline it real quick. So this one that you see right here, I'm not looking for anything in here. Just looking for, okay, price coming back, then checking out all this liquidity. I know I'm gonna show you guys what I was looking at before. So yeah. So as I was saying, Manaf was telling me this is a chip zone. I feel like this is the rich chip zone right here. And this zone may get respected. If it don't, Then, at least we'll get a 1 to 3 off here and break even. Then come and take us out. At least, you feel me? Because I know this one may. I'm not trying to be like, oh, I know it is. I'm not a guru. I'm not. I predict the markets. I don't tell the markets what to do. You feel me? So yeah, this zone, I think this zone, because even this Asian high was taken, but not like with that momentum. Only if, only if price reaches around here, right? And it's trying to like, and then there's news coming up. Then you can do anything. You just gotta let it, because you can take that out, as man have just said, or you can react up, right, and giving us big moves. But what I know, this zone is going to be a lot of if price comes back like this, let's say this it taps in here, a lot of sellers, man, a lot of SMC sellers are going to look for this change of character, break of structure, then sell off. But me, bro, I'm going to wait until at least it taps into here, then look for sell off. Sorry. That's what I was looking at. I'm just being honest, because me, that's what I think. There's no way. Okay, into 8-hour demand, right? If you go on the 15-minute time frame, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Price tapped into a demand zone, so I'm expecting a complex pullback to either take out the trend line, tap in the 4-hour. Decision is on. Let's first go back in the 4-hour and see. Get second, but I think there's a 4-hour there. Okay, brother. So what on the one? Okay, so decision. Okay, okay. I know. Okay, I see what you're saying. So the trend line. Okay, so you're looking for buys. Are you looking for buys or not? Looking for buys though, right? But then short, yeah, okay. That's what I was, bro. Why are you telling them? I knew this is what I was gonna say. Cause man, I already saw this. Okay, let me show you what I saw, right? For me, nigga, 1 minute is allowed. I was on 3 minutes for me. So me, I saw this trend line. Right? I saw this little let me show you. Are you talking about this trend line right here? This little weeks. Do you want this to be these weeks to be taken out? Are these weeks that you're talking about, or something else? Because this trend line is just so big. So you're talking about, because me, I saw this. Let me see. So you're talking about this for you. This right here. That are being formed right now. The one that will be taken out, then price comes back and tap into a zone like this. Then look for buys. Go on Discord. Alright. Give me a second chart. Just give me a second chart. Sorry, I'm going my stuff. Yeah, yeah, you can send it. You can send it in let me see what it takes. You put it in the main chat, right? Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, let me share my screen and go to share. Just give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Me and Manaf, we're gonna argue real quick. Just give me a second. A little argument. So this is my. Don't worry about anything, guys. This is our Discord, right? Okay, so this Manaf's guy. Okay, guys, look at Manaf's stuff. Okay, on M1 he sees little trend line that is building, right? The trend line is, bro, Manaf, your trend line is not trending. How is the trend line like this? I know, okay, I'm just playing with you, but the trend line is kind of it's not like this. It's kind of like this. The trend line is not trending, my guy. But let's see though. Let's see, because what I think is the trend line is let me go back on my chart. Let me go back on my chart and see. So you want that to be respect or to get taken out. So then how are you gonna look for buys? Cause me, huh? Cause then what? Okay, no. This is too much. Hold on. Man, if you give me a hard time, man. Let me see. What did you type? Yeah, how are you gonna look for buys? I think let me see. Want a second picture? Okay, perfect. Let's see. So guys, the second picture, Manaf is telling me, okay, now this makes, you see how this makes a lot of sense now? See how this makes a lot of sense? So yes, I was on got top 10, right? I was on got top 10. Yes, perfect, got top 10. Now, to me, right there, what I'm looking for is I'm just looking for one thing, and I'm looking for yes, buys until that Asian. You see that Asian high right there? The Asian high. So, excuse me. So right there, we see you on the 15-minute time frame, right? This is like 15-minute time frame right here, and price is gonna come, do a little tap. I feel like price is gonna come back and check here during Asian, and then it's gonna form signs to bounce off, off the zone. If it bounces off this zone, then it's gonna come take out these guys that I told man of. These little guys here. Hold on. Guys, let's go back on my chat real quick. Okay, man, I've seen it, man. I've seen it. I appreciate it, man. I've seen it. So, um, yeah, we go back here, right? So man of me, I saw something like this that may come because M1, let me go on M1 and show what I saw. So M1 there was some little this little stuff here that I wanted to mark out all these on from here to let me just go to me real quick. Okay, I can just mark from the body to the bottom. Man, that's just a lot of pips. Ah, damn. I don't like pips. Five pips up is crazy. So something like this, right? Let me just show you. Something like this, but then look for price to either break that zone. Cause me too. Right now, I cannot take anybody. I cannot take anybody or sales within this zone, right? No, I'm just gonna wait to either break here or come and break here, right? So then price comes breaks here during Asian, right? Does something like this. Then London opens, then it's forming an intentional movement, then liquidity sweep, then change of practice, then giving us a buy, then we're taking that one. But then I see Manaf's things like this, right? This is 15-minute time frame for Manaf, and it looks like sorry. Did you type something in the chat? Okay. Okay, so let me delete this real quick. So your thing Manaf is down. Let me go M3 because I want to draw it so you yourself can see it too. So you do some type of stuff like this, right? And you want this to get so this is your trend line liquidity right here, right? And so what I was let me see. Did you type something? Okay. Now I see what you say. You see this trend as resistance. So okay, perfect. Okay, I see what you're saying. For me, this was my analysis, right? This was my analysis. Okay, okay, yes, this is as a reason because price is also like reacting off this zone so hard, like it's coming back, bouncing off, coming back, bouncing off. So a lot of resistance. Is it support and resistance? Yeah, a lot of support and resistance traders are made money during this Friday day, the last day of the week, because they were buying and selling. I don't know those ones that trade lower time frame though. I don't know any support and resistance trader that trades lower time frame. I don't know, but. But yeah, for me, I was looking at all these because we cannot if we want to mark out, we're gonna mark out until this last bottom, right? So let's say this order block price may not respect anything like that because remember we're in lower time frame, so we want to mark out something that's significant, you know. So me, I'd mark out something like this. Price may come because all these weeks right here, all these weeks, because they're gonna be buyers here. Trust me. Um, SMC we have a lot of SMC. They're gonna be buyers here. They're gonna be buyers here too, and also here over the zone. So all these buyers, it's according to them either to get taken out or they're gonna do what they're gonna like anything they're gonna be doing right now. Let's say price counts something like this, right? All price shows us as it breaks through, but we don't want to break through like right there. Me, I'm praying on something like this. I'm just Um, just want to show you guys something clear. Depending on something like this, if price is like coming right, and then it comes during Asian whatever, but this is just some little pips. You can move these pips within one Asian session. No, then London opens like around here. Then price shows in an intentional movement, right? Then liquidity sweep. Then price tap into this zone because if price taps into this zone, I'm not gonna enter right away, right? Because maybe how come China is still doing the same thing, right? Until um price reaches this zone, then it's showing me the consequences we need, like the change of characters and breakup structures on lower time from M3 too, the same thing, M3. Then I know I'm looking for buys. But before I get something like that, let me just draw something clear, right? So, yeah, yeah, right. So now that's just price coming right there, and that taps into our zone, right? Perfect. Now price. Now we go on lower time frame. Let's say our Asian log already got taken like around here, around this zone. Then we look at the price starts showing guys these high lows, stuff like that. Giving guys change factors, then backup structures. Then we get that mitigation. Then we buying all the way to this is it Manafuz resistance point to get, if it gets breaking through, then that would be a 1 to 10 already, because remember guys, we're already on lower time frame, so you don't want to go no lower than 2.8 pips or 2.5 pips stop loss. Sometimes you might have remember catching like, is it 1.2 pips stop loss? People are crazy. 1.2 pips stop loss, my guy. That's crazy. That is insane. That is insane. You know. So yeah, I think that's how it looks right now. That's how it looks on this time frame. And me, that's what I may be looking for, to be honest. Then if price, I think, okay, just give me a second. Prices, this is kind of acting up. Sorry about that. I'm gonna turn on the camera right now. Don't worry. Okay, I'm sorry about that. It's just the light was kind of acting up, like flashy. So I had to change that. Price can also mitigate deeper low level of H for demand, taking out the trend line, the downside, and push to the supply. Oh yeah, so okay, let's go to 8 hours. Hey man, bro, that's why we're here. We have to check for anything, right? Anything that we see, we're gonna check for it. So you on an 8 hour, you said these are 8 hour looks right now. You're saying price may mitigate. Okay, perfect. I see what you're saying. So you're saying price may mitigate to this lower, right? And try to tap into something like this. Is it what you're saying, man? So the 8 hour intentions, yeah, but I include the week. I included the week too, though. Man, if I included the week. Oh, you included. Oh, so you say you include the whole zone. Oh, but man, if price shows us signs, that's what I'm saying. We know if we go on lower time frame and price is showing us signs of bullish these consequences that it wants to push up. Man, I'm gonna take the buy. But if price keeps showing not showing like good price action, I'm gonna let it, because then I know this zone may be also liquidity to get tapped into this too. I'm sorry, I started from the daily and I went straight to the 4 hour. I didn't even go to the 8 hour to check for that. But that's what I know. Excuse me. Excuse me. So you want to know why is it that what is the price? Okay, okay, yeah. This is also was on. But then if we include the week, right? Man, take a look. If we include the week, then we know price also got tapped in. It tapped into two. This one here, right? Yeah, it's a tapped in, so we may have a reaction of the zone, because we don't want to be the type of traders that we're gonna have 5 pips stop loss. I can't. To me, it's just not gonna happen. 5 pip, probably like highest is 4. Then the normal one, the one I always take is like 3.2. Highest, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry for laughing. This guy is just too delusional, man. He wants a three, the highest 3.3 pip stop loss is crazy. That's like me, my average. 3 pip stop loss, it's cool for me. 2.8, 2.5, that's like the one I'll be using most of the time. But 5 pip, that's like a lot to me, man. That's a lot of. Okay, yeah, I mean, thank you for showing me that too, you know. But yeah, price may need to get deeper lows. Never know, but if price respects these, that's a week. Hold on. Yeah, but this is a week right now. But if you go on 3 minutes, and it's not a week, right? It's a clean order block, right? So let's not just call it a week, but we see a week right there. It's a week right now, but if we go on 3 minutes, it's gonna be an order block. That was kind of showing reflections of here. So yeah, so then TP, my TP would be around here, this one, right? Or if you guys want to hit a home run, then go all the way to the SMT that Manaf was talking about. Manaf was thinking that price is gonna get respected. That was it. Nah, that's an SMT. I mean, price is actually gonna respect this. So yeah, that's my analysis on Euro USD, man. I don't know if anybody has their own analysis. I can give you access. You can share your screen for me. Yeah, bro. Cause man, if Asian session shows us man, you're right. Cause if Asian session tries to show us bullish signs, then we know okay now. I'm even happy because I know now everything has changed. Everything just changed right away, right? Because now I know okay if Asian session is showing us bullish signs, right, and it's breaking through here, then now let's say Asian starts when we're here, right? You wait for this zone to get taken out, wait for Asian to get taken out, right? Then we're looking for confirmations. Boom. Man, I'm selling. I'm okay. Not of the SMT. I'm sorry, guys. No, not no. I want you guys. No, I know you guys are gonna take screenshots of this, so I don't want you guys to think, oh, this guy. Yeah, he has to first tap into that. This is an SMT right here. This is a trap. To me, this is a trap. It looks like a trap. But if price reacts of this one, then it's my fault, right? But to me, this looks like a trap. To me, this zone right here. Because okay, it's just that me, I've seen this zone a lot more than 3 times, and I've taken sales off it, and I've lost. So it's like I already know. To me, it's like, you know. But price types here is okay. I'm gonna look for only for zones because guess what? These sellers here didn't break anything. Yeah, for real, for real, for real, for real. I mean, oh my god. Man, no, we're not betting about it. It's not. I don't have a cost. I have a mentorship, man. And guess what? All these things, um, man. So recording is not easy. I'm telling you, man. Recording is not easy, man. Recording is not easy. You being there and sitting and just recording. No, mentorship sounds a little bit better than cost. Cost, everybody's selling cost. I can sell a cost too. But mentorship is like, oh, mentorship. Like I'm there. You feel me? Like I'm right there. You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, everything will change, guys. If Asian gives us bullish signs, then we're gonna look for sellers. Because now we're even happier because high time frame we're selling. But the reason why we're looking for buys right there is because we're trying to look for counter buys to then this one right here that we are right now. You feel me? That's what we're trying to look for. But if price doesn't and it shows us and price Asian just moves all the way up, perfect, man. I'm even happy, more happy because now I'm gonna look for sales, even hold longer. You feel me? Because I know price is actually higher time from we're selling. Yes, man. I'm selling. Why not? If price okay, listen. Okay, listen. If price shows us momentum right until this zone, then price you see kind of start reacting off this zone. You're not gonna take the sell, and you're in your right time frame window. You're not gonna take the sell. Why? Why? But if price taps into now you don't know invalidation model. Let me teach you, right? Invalidation is tapped into your 15-minute demand zone. Hold on. Yes, it tapped into my 15-minute. It tapped into my 15-minute demand zone, but it reacted off already, right? It already did a reaction. It already gave us a reaction off. A reaction that was about 50. I thought it was 50 pips. Okay, about 30 pips, right? About 30 pips. A reaction, right? And it's like if price does that, then okay, If price gives us a reaction, yeah, it already did though. It already did it gave us a reaction, but I'm like, I know this one. If price, bro, I know this one. I know it looks choppy, but this one may get very respected. Because if it does, bro, if price reaches here and I'm in my time frame window, either London or New York, right? And I'm looking for, okay, I know you're joking, right? I'm looking for cells, right? And I see these breakup structures and change of characters. These inducements. I said, but I'm taking that cell. At least I'm taking that cell. I would be happier to leave and lose it, because I know at least it was aligned with all my consequences. Feel me? And of course, I'm risking 0.5%. So side eye to those guys that are risking 1%. Yeah. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Feel me? So it's like whatever happens, you're just gonna go with the flow. You're just gonna go with the flow, man. We're just not gonna stick to our nest and say, okay, we know price has to come down. No, it may not. Feel me? What supplies them? It's showing bullish signs, then buy unless prices is cut. So the supply zone you're talking about this. No, 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 no. The supplies I'm talking about this. Because I'm not gonna buy here. No, hell no, I'm not buying here. No, 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 that's not happening. I'm not buying here. Why should I buy here instead of selling off here? At least I better get taken out. Then I will wait for price to tap into my zone. Or price may actually give us a reaction again. Then look for buys. But if price gives us reaction here down, then I'm looking for buys. I may even hold until here or until this here, but I cannot hold until here because I know this may get respected. The price may react off here, right? Okay. Yeah, I know where on in this discounted area and stuff. Oh, okay. I know why you guys are arguing with me about that area is because for me the reason why this area, these are the last sellers that led to this and broke and took out this demand zone, right? But why don't you guys get my point too? These are the areas that came and took out these sellers came and took out these buyers that was in here. So this is the breakup structure. Why am I even still making it out as X? Let me put it in as a breakup structure real quick. Okay, now we see a breakup structure, right? Do we? Hold on, just give me a second. I don't know why the light is not lighting. Yes, I'm in a discounted area. We already said that. We already said, hey, man, we already said that on large and on the high time frame. We already said that our zone. We already showed our zone how prices is not reacting good of our demand zone right there. This demand zone that we're in for me. But if price does that, so what I'm gonna do right now? Check what I'm gonna do. Right, I'm gonna set 2 alarms. Okay, I'm gonna say 3. I'm gonna say 3. Right, for also those people that are saying the price is gonna react off this SMT. Right now, gonna set an alarm off this zone right here, right? If price comes back to tap into this zone, then we know we're almost close to looking for what? So right? For buys. Then let me tap in this for those guys that the amount of guys that are saying, okay, the price is gonna react off this SMT or whatever. Then for me, mine that is 0. I'm gonna set that one too. Okay, now I know I have 3 alarms. I'm just waiting now. Then wait for price. Price comes back here, comes down here, buys. Taps in here and shows me confluences. If it doesn't show me the confluences, I'm not selling, right? But it shows me the confluences that price is actually changing direction, I'm selling. Because high time frame we bearish. Feel me? So guys, that's been it for Euro USD. If you want to ask me a question, please ask. Now I'm tired. If you want to ask me a question, Manaf, I know you have a lot of questions. You can ask, right? You can ask, but it's only even Manaf here. Other people left. So Manaf, that's it, man. That was the Zoom call. So let me know. I said it was gonna be 1 hour long because I have a place to be. I really don't have a place to be, but like I have some stuff that I'm doing. Did you see I'm putting on a shot for the shit. A shit shirt. You see, so I was planning some stuff, you know. So guys, that if hey man, if price does that, then I'm just gonna let it go because then that's for you, bro. Man, if what I'm seeing your problem, you're thinking like you're having 10 strategies all of the same. Okay, not 10 strategies. You're having like all the consequences. price may the lower low the previous oh no, you said, oh sorry, I already about it. You said price can also create a new lower low and then compress pullback to the upside. Man, that's what I want. I want price to create no, not a lower low. I mean, whatever price does, oh, we're gonna be talking about it. I'm gonna be there for London session. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see what price is doing, right? And we're gonna see whether I'm right or not. I'll even take a picture of my trading view. Take a screenshot. It's sitting in the chat right now. You know, yeah. So Mano, do you wanna tell me anything, brother? Do you wanna tell me anything? On lower high, lower low, or not? I saw the lower low in 15. I saw that. Mm. Hey, man, for real. Hey, that's it for today, man. For real. So, you guys, I really appreciate you guys for actually coming, for coming showing up. It was about like five people today. So yeah, that's cool. I mean, 5 people showing up is enough for me. For me, I just started. So, I really thank everybody for actually coming up and showing up and for real. And guys, that's been our breakdown for next week on USD, our main pair that we'll be trading in the chat. So guys, see you guys next week. Or see you guys tonight. I don't know this weekend. I may actually go back to streaming and all that. I will let you know more about that. You know. So see you guys later. You have a nice day. Peace. Oh yeah, Jeremy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. When is Jeremy's? Hold on, let me first stop recording. Hold on.